Hey everyone! Today, we're covering a crucial part of project management, using the ClickUp calendar view to quickly create a dedicated meeting task, add an agenda structure, and manage attendees. First, access ClickUp and switch to calendar view. We'll start by logging in and navigating to the right visualization tool for scheduling. Log in, open your browser, and go to ClickUp. If your workspace uses it, click Continue with Google for the fastest sign-in. Locate View Options. Once inside your workspace, locate the View options for your current space, folder, or list. Switch to Calendar. Select Calendar. This is usually displayed alongside list or board views. Find Date. Use the navigation arrows to move between weeks or months until you reach the desired meeting date. Next, create the meeting task. The calendar view allows you to create the task directly on the date it needs to happen. Click plus icon. In the target date slot on the calendar, click the plus icon. Add title. In the quick create window that appears, type a clear and consistent meeting title, e.g. Marketing Sync Q1 Planning. Save. Click Save. ClickUp generates a task on that date, potentially with a default start time that can be edited later. Next, add structure and manage attendees. Next, open the task details to organize the agenda and team participation. Open Task. Open the newly created task to view its full details. Set Agenda. Transform discussion items into trackable work by adding subtasks for agenda sections or creating a checklist for talking points and follow-ups. Assignees. Assign the task to primary participants and team members who are responsible for the meeting. Watchers. Add others as watchers if they only need read-only access and visibility, such as observers or stakeholders. Next, enable time tracking, optional but recommended. Time tracking supports resource management and capacity planning for recurring meetings. Start or log time. Start a timer when the meeting begins, or manually log the time afterward. Resource management. Recording time for the meeting task supports billing and capacity planning, helping analyze the effort spent on recurring events. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.